how to log in to Pinterest. Let's not waste any more time and head right to it. Before we head to the video, make sure to hit the subscribe button as it helps the channel grow. Now let's head to the video. First, you go to your Play Store or App Store and search for Pinterest. And make sure it's downloaded and it's updated. Once that's done, the second main step is you go back and you open the Pinterest app. Once you open that app, here you'll find here it automatically popped out with my account, but here it will show do you want to continue with Facebook or you want to continue with Google, right? You have to click on continue with Google or continue with Facebook and then click on the profile icon that's already saved in your phone, or else you have to fill in your email address and your password, and that's how you'll be able to put in and log in your Pinterest account. If this video helped, make sure to leave a like and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.